Hello, this is my 2005 PT Cruiser. It's the Touring Edition convertible. I purchased it in last June 2018. Today is July 28th, 2018, and I'm about to change the multi-switch. She's had a lot of work done on her. I got it at a good price. Took a mechanic with me who advised me it was okay to get her. In her one day, I decided to turn on my fog lights. Realized I didn't have any, didn't come on. So, being mechanically inclined, I decided to check the fuses. Well, the fuse was missing, and probably for a good reason. The previous owner probably needed a new switch and just decided to pull the fuse. So, today I'm going to change it myself. I've given mechanics enough money, and I'm going to do it myself. So, wish me luck. Be back in a little bit. Okay, I'm back. I finished installing my multi-switch because I was having a problem with my fog lights not coming on. We took a little break and we're back. The job is finally done. Okay, I got the hubster out here to help me. Honey, turn on the headlights. There you have the headlights. Okay, turn on the park lights. There are the park lights. Now turn on the fog lights. There are no lights coming on at the dash. Everything is working perfectly. I wonder how many men thought I was going to forget to put the fuse back in. Anyway, I'm happy. Ladies, we can do it for ourselves. Bye.